Hey guys, welcome back to Dharani Creations. In this video, we have built a home automation unit with AI. We will not write any code at all.
Turn off night
Let's
lamp.
see how it works.
Turn on night lamp.
In this video, we have used Google Home and Amazon Alexa for controlling these lights.
Alexa, turn on night lamp. Alexa, turn on outside light. Alexa, turn on room light. Alexa, turn on hall light. Alexa, turn on hall light. Alexa, turn off hall light.
This video is collaborated with Cadio Home Automation. In this application, we can connect with various smart home devices. We have used Google Home and Amazon Alexa in this project. The app is available in Google Play Store and App Store. For permanent license, use Cadio 25YT for 25% discount. In this project, we have used trial license. For this project, we have used NodeMCU, 4-channel relay module, a breadboard, and few jumpers. Keep the speed in more than 40 Hz and DIO. Select the COM and start. Press the reset button for the configure mode. It is in the configure mode. Turn off the mobile data and connect the Wi-Fi to Cadio. Now go to the configure mode. Give relay active low and give 4 on-off buttons. Enter the GPIO pins given in the description. Give the Wi-Fi and the password. Let's set the unit name as Smart Home. After the Wi-Fi connection, the 4 buttons will be shown. For the power mount license, use the given coupon code. We can customize the buttons. Let's give the name as night lamp. You can change the icon. There is option of timer and schedule the timing. You can also use the voice command. Let's do the same for other buttons. Let's configure Google Home. Create a project. Search for Cadio. You need to log in it. Now let's configure Alexa. Search for Cadio. The same process. Enable to use and log in. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.